Have you ever looked back at a purchase and thought, wow, what was I thinking? Yeah, me too. Your 20s are supposed to be fun, exciting, full of possibilities, but if you're not careful, they can also become one big, expensive learning experience. The kind that haunts your credit report well into 30s. In this video, we are breaking down the 5 dumbest money mistakes people make in their 20s. Mistakes I have made, my friends have made, and maybe even you are making right now without realizing it. More importantly, I'll show you how to avoid them. Let's save you some years, some regret, and definitely some money. Let's go. Mistake has one. Living like you are rich before you are. Let's talk about lifestyle creep. You get your job, first paycheck, you move out, you are excited, and suddenly every weekend is brunch. That old phone replaced, that new outfit bought, rent too high, but vibes. You're not spending based on your income, you're spending based on your emotions. Real story, my friend Sam got his first job at a big firm, 22 years old, making more than his dad ever had. Instead of budgeting, he leased a BMW, got a fancy apartment, and started eating out 5 days a week. By year 2, he had 3 credit cards maxed out, no savings, and had to move back home. Solution: start with a bare bones lifestyle. Budget like you are making 60% of your income and save the rest. Want upgrades? Let them be slow, intentional, and based on actual financial wins, not just vibes. Mistake has two: ignoring credit until it's too late. You don't learn about credit in school, and by the time you realize how important it is, it's already messed up. No credit history, missed payments, defaulted student loans. Then boom, you can't rent that apartment. You are denied for a basic credit card. Insurance premiums shoot up. Relatable moment. I remember a friend trying to buy a $10 pizza and her card declined. Not because she didn't have the money, but because she had no credit limit left. She hadn't paid her minimums in months. The worst part, she had no idea it was hurting her credit that bad. Solution: start building credit early. Get a secured card. Set auto pay for the minimum due. Never use more than 30% of your limit. Check your score monthly. Your future self will thank you when it's time to buy a house or a car. Mistake has 3. Not investing at all. I'll invest it later when I have more money. That's what everyone says in their 20s, and that's exactly why most people are broke in their 40s. Time is your biggest advantage, not money. Starting with $100 today is more powerful than waiting 5 years with $5,000. Story time: 2 college buddies, Jason and Matthew. Jason started investing $100 a month at 22. Matthew waited until 30 and started investing $200 per month. At 60, Sam had more money by nearly double, even though he invested less overall. Solution: start investing, even if it's just small amounts. Use index funds or ETFs. Automate it, forget it, and never time the market. The earlier you start, the richer you end. Mistake has 4. No emergency fund. Living on the edge. One flat tire, one layoff, one medical emergency, and suddenly your whole financial world crumbles. Most 20-somethings live paycheck to paycheck, and many don't even have $500 saved for emergencies. Real life reminder: I once lost a freelance gig that was paying most of my bills. No emergency fund. Rent was due in 2 weeks. I ended up borrowing money, and that started a debt cycle that took me over a year to escape. Solution: build an emergency fund ASAP. Start with $1,000, then build it to cover 3 months of expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, separate from your main checking. It's not if something will go wrong, it's when. Mistake has 5. Thinking you have plenty of time. This is the quietest mistake because it doesn't feel like a mistake. You think you have years to figure this out. You think you are too young for retirement plans or insurance. You think budgeting is for your 30s. But every month you delay, you are stealing from your future. Quick analogy: imagine planting a tree. The best time was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Most people, they never planned it and wonder why there is no shade in the future. Solution: start acting like the future version of you already exists. That version needs you to budget smart, build credit, avoid dumb debt, invest early, learn constantly. Ending. So let's recap the 5 dumb money mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Number 1, spending like you're rich. Number 2, ignoring credit. Number 3, not investing. Number 4, no emergency fund. And number 5, thinking you have time. Now here's the truth. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be intentional. Your 20s are the launch pad, and every good habit you start now pays dividends later. Literally. So if any of these hit home, don't beat yourself up. But don't wait either. Fix one thing this week, then another next week. Stack those wins and watch your future wealth grow. What questions or made a mistake you learned from? Share it in the comments. Someone else might need to hear it. Subscribe for more simple, smart money content every single week. You got this. See you in the next one.